What if I told you there's a tool that could eliminate 80% of your repetitive tasks forever? Number 7 made me delete 3 paid apps I was using daily. And wait until you see number 3. It absolutely blew my mind. Today, I'm revealing the most powerful automations possible with n8n that almost nobody is talking about. Hey there, welcome back to AI Mastery Hub, your ultimate destination for mastering the tools that will define the AI era. I'm diving deep into n8n, the open source automation platform that's quietly revolutionizing how tech-savvy people, entrepreneurs, and creators work in 2025. If you're new here, we break down cutting-edge AI tools into actionable strategies you can implement today. Smash that like button and subscribe to transform how you work forever. Our community is growing fast for a reason. Now let's explore how n8n can automate your life in ways you never thought possible. Before we jump into the insane automations, let's quickly cover what makes n8n special. Unlike Zapier or Make, n8n is an open-source workflow automation tool that you can self-host or use their cloud service. This means unlimited operations without usage limits if you self-host, plus complete data privacy, critical in 2025's privacy-conscious world. What truly sets n8n apart is its visual builder combined with advanced functionality. You can create simple automations in minutes, or build complex systems that would normally require custom development. Now let's get into the game-changing workflows. Starting at number 10, your Omniscient content research assistant. Imagine every morning receiving a perfectly curated research brief on any topic you're working on. Here's how it works. n8n monitors Reddit, Twitter, Discord, and industry news sources for your keywords. The incoming data is processed through GPT-4 Turbo to extract key insights. Everything gets organized into a research brief with trending topics, sentiment analysis, and content gaps. It's delivered as a markdown file to your Notion or directly to your email. This isn't just a content aggregator, it's a research assistant that works 24/7, analyzing patterns humans might miss. Content creators using this workflow report cutting research time by 65% and discovering unique angles their competitors miss completely. What used to take hours now happens automatically while you sleep. This alone can transform how you create content. Number 9. The Customer Feedback Intelligence System. For business owners and entrepreneurs, understanding customer sentiment is critical but incredibly time-consuming. Here's the workflow. n8n monitors your reviews across Google, Trustpilot, and app stores. It captures customer support tickets from Zendesk or Intercom. All feedback is categorized by AI into product features, sentiment, and urgency. Critical issues trigger immediate alerts. Weekly reports highlight emerging patterns and opportunities. The magic happens when n8n feeds this processed data into your project management tool like Asana or Jira, automatically creating tickets for recurring issues. One e-commerce client implemented this and identified a checkout issue costing them $12,000 monthly in abandoned carts, a problem they hadn't even realized existed. This is customer intelligence on autopilot. Number 8. The Cross-Platform Social Dominance Engine. Content creators, this will change your game completely. Create content once in your preferred format. n8n automatically repurposes it for every platform using AI. A YouTube video becomes Twitter threads, LinkedIn articles, Instagram carousels, and TikTok clips. Each piece is optimized for platform-specific algorithms. Everything is scheduled for optimal posting times. Engagement is monitored and analyzed. The breakthrough here is n8n's ability to use computer vision APIs to analyze video content, extract key points, and create tailored content for each platform, with no manual intervention. One creator using this system grew from 5,000 to 175,000 followers across platforms in just 3 months. Post once, dominate everywhere. Number 7, the one that made me delete 3 paid apps. The Superhuman email management system. Email is still the backbone of professional communication, but it's also a massive time sink. This workflow changes everything. n8n connects to your email via IMAP Gmail API. Each incoming email is analyzed by AI for intent, urgency, and required action. Messages are automatically categorized, prioritized, and even drafted responses. Important emails get pushed to your phone as urgent notifications. Follow-up reminders are created automatically when needed. Weekly reports show communication patterns and time saved. What makes this truly insane is that n8n can identify action items from emails and automatically create tasks in your task manager, extracting deadlines, priorities, and relevant details. It even maintains context between related emails. This system saved me 7.5 hours weekly and completely eliminated email anxiety. That's why I deleted 3 separate apps I was using to manage my inbox. At number 6, the ultimate meeting assistant. Meetings consume too much of our workday. This workflow monitors your calendar for upcoming meetings, automatically gathers relevant documents and previous meeting notes, prepares briefing materials before each meeting, records and transcribes the conversation, uses AI to extract action items, decisions, and key points, distributes comprehensive notes to all participants, and creates follow-up tasks and adds them to your project management system. The game changer is how n8n can access previous meeting context and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. One executive team reported their decision implementation rate increased by 82% after setting up this system. This doesn't just make meetings more efficient, it transforms them from time wasters into actionable outcomes. Number 5. The Personal Finance Optimization Engine. Managing personal finances is complex and often neglected. This workflow automates the entire process, connects to banking APIs, investment accounts, and expense tracking apps, categorizes all transactions using machine learning, identifies unusual spending and potential savings, monitors subscription renewals and suggests cancellations, provides weekly financial health reports, and automatically moves excess funds to savings or investments based on rules you set. The brilliance is how n8n can work with financial APIs securely and privately when self-hosted. One user reported saving over $7,200 annually by identifying forgotten subscriptions and optimizing recurring expenses. Financial advisors would charge thousands for this level of oversight, but you get it automatically. At number 4, your personal Netflix-style content recommendation system. Information overload is real. This workflow creates your personal content curator, monitors your favorite blogs, YouTube channels, podcasts, and newsletters, analyzes everything you consume to understand your interests, uses machine learning to score new content based on relevance, delivers daily or weekly digests of perfect-for-you content, maintains a searchable knowledge base of everything you've consumed, and extracts and saves key insights for later retrieval. The breakthrough is how n8n uses a combination of AI tools to actually understand content rather than just matching keywords. Several researchers and journalists using this system report discovering critical connections they would have otherwise missed. It's like having a research team working for you around the clock. Number 3. The Mind Blower, the autonomous business development machine. This workflow revolutionizes lead generation and sales scans company databases, LinkedIn, and news sources for potential leads matching your ideal customer profile. Monitors trigger events like funding rounds, executive changes, or product launches. Automatically enriches lead data from multiple sources. Scores leads based on fit and behavior. Initiates personalized outreach sequences. Follows up based on engagement patterns. Books meetings directly on your calendar when interest is detected. The magic is in how n8n can orchestrate the entire sales process while making each touchpoint feel completely personalized. One B2B company implemented this and generated 347 qualified leads in the first month with 0 manual prospecting. This isn't just automation, it's a complete sales team in a workflow. At number 2, the AI-powered knowledge management system. Knowledge workers spend up to 20% of their time searching for information. This workflow eliminates that waste, connects to your cloud storage, node apps, and communication tools. Automatically indexes and organizes all your digital information, creates an AI searchable knowledge base that understands questions in natural language, generates connections between related pieces of information, surfaces relevant information based on your current work context, maintains living documents that update automatically as new information emerges. The revelation here is how n8n can maintain context awareness across all your tools and documents. One product team reported cutting decision time by 42% after implementing this system, as all relevant information was instantly available when needed. This isn't just search, it's your second brain that thinks alongside you. And finally, at number 1, the ultra-personalized learning accelerator. Continuous learning is essential in 2025, but finding time is nearly impossible. This workflow creates your personal learning system, identifies skills gaps based on your career goals and industry trends, curates learning resources from courses, books, articles, and videos, creates a personalized curriculum adapted to your learning style, breaks down complex topics into daily micro-learning sessions, quizzes you on previous material using spaced repetition, tracks comprehension and adjusts content difficulty accordingly, provides accountability through progress tracking. What makes this truly insane is how n8n integrates with AI tutoring systems to create interactive learning experiences tailored exactly to your needs. Users report mastering complex technical skills in 40% less time than traditional methods. This doesn't just make learning more efficient, it makes expertise achievable while managing a full-time career. And there you have it, 10 insane automations that transform how you work and live using n8n in 2025. Each of these workflows would have required custom development and thousands of dollars just a few years ago. Now they're accessible to anyone willing to invest a little time in setting them up. At AI Mastery Hub, we drop videos like this every second day to keep you updated on the tools and strategies that define the AI era. Hit subscribe to avoid missing out on insights that could completely transform your productivity and business. If you want detailed tutorials on any of these automations, let me know in the comments which one you want to see first. Remember, in the age of AI, it's not about working harder, it's about automating smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.